Have you ever been driving down the highway, looked at a large truck, and noticed a set of wheels that weren't even touching the ground? At first glance, it looks strange. Why would a truck carry extra wheels if they're not being used? Are they broken? Are they just for decoration? Or is there some hidden engineering reason behind them? The truth is that those raised wheels play a crucial role in making trucks more efficient, safer, and less expensive to operate. So why do some truck wheels not touch the ground? Let's take a closer look. The wheels you're seeing are usually part of what is known as a lift axle. A lift axle is an additional axle that can be raised or lowered depending on how much weight the truck is carrying. When the truck is lightly loaded or completely empty, the axle can be lifted off the road. When the truck is carrying a heavy load, the axle is lowered back down to help support the extra weight. To understand why this matters, think about how much weight commercial trucks transport every day. Some trucks carry thousands or even tens of thousands of pounds of cargo. All of that weight has to be distributed across multiple axles to prevent excessive stress on the vehicle and the road surface. Government regulations also limit how much weight can be placed on each axle. If too much weight is concentrated on a small number of wheels, the truck may violate legal weight limits and create safety risks. This is where lift axles become extremely useful. When a truck picks up a heavy load, the additional axle can be lowered to the ground. The extra wheels help spread the weight over a larger area, reducing the load on each individual axle. This allows the truck to legally and safely carry heavier cargo without exceeding weight restrictions. But if the extra axle is so important, why not leave it on the ground all the time? The answer comes down to efficiency. Every wheel that touches the road creates rolling resistance. Rolling resistance is the force that opposes the motion of the vehicle and requires additional fuel to overcome. More wheels on the ground mean more friction and greater fuel consumption. When the truck is empty or carrying only a light load, it doesn't need the extra support. By lifting the unused axle off the road, the truck reduces rolling resistance and improves fuel economy. Over the course of thousands of miles, the fuel savings can be significant. Another major advantage involves tire wear. Truck tires are expensive, and commercial fleets spend large amounts of money replacing them. When a lift axle is raised, those tires are no longer rubbing against the pavement. This reduces wear and extends their lifespan. The result is lower maintenance costs and fewer tire replacements. Lifting the axle can also improve maneuverability. Trucks often need to make tight turns in cities, loading docks, construction sites, and industrial areas. More wheels on the ground can make turning more difficult because the tires may resist moving in different directions. By raising an unnecessary axle, the truck becomes easier to steer and can navigate confined spaces more effectively. The lifting process itself is surprisingly sophisticated. Most modern lift axles use air suspension systems. The driver can control the axle using switches inside the cab, or in some cases the system automatically adjusts based on the vehicle's weight. Air pressure is used to raise or lower the axle smoothly and safely. You are most likely to see lift axles on dump trucks, garbage trucks, cement mixers, logging trucks, and heavy haul vehicles. These types of trucks frequently alternate between carrying heavy loads and operating with little or no cargo. A lift axle allows them to adapt instantly to changing conditions. The concept is also beneficial for protecting roads. Heavy vehicles place enormous stress on pavement. By distributing weight across additional axles when necessary, trucks help reduce road damage. This can extend the lifespan of highways and reduce maintenance costs for transportation infrastructure. Some trucks even have multiple lift axles. Depending on the vehicle's design and purpose, several extra axles may be raised or lowered independently. This gives operators tremendous flexibility when handling different types of cargo and varying weight requirements. What appears to be a strange design feature is actually a clever engineering solution. Those wheels hanging above the pavement are not unused or forgotten. They are waiting for the moment they are needed. By lowering them when carrying heavy loads and lifting them when they aren't required, trucks can improve fuel efficiency, reduce tire wear, increase maneuverability, comply with weight regulations, and operate more economically. The next time you see a truck rolling down the road with some of its wheels suspended in the air, you'll know you're looking at a smart piece of engineering in action. Those raised wheels are helping the truck save money, conserve fuel, protect the roads, and adapt to changing loads, all without most people ever realizing the important job they're doing.